Welcome to my channel. In this video I will give you an introduction to affiliate marketing. In subsequent videos we will dive deeper into the various elements of affiliate marketing, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you are notified when I drop the next video. For many, the ultimate career goal is to achieve a passive income. A passive income is one which requires little to no work to achieve, leading to a whole range of amazing opportunities, whether it is in early retirement, or simply the freedom to live your life however you please without the typical 9-to-5 workday tying you down. There's no doubt that the chance to earn a passive income and forget about having to work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week is something that most of us would jump at. Do you want to retire 20 to 30 years before everybody else that you know? Or, perhaps you want to be able to travel the world and jet off at your convenience. Either way, a passive income is the key to achieving the type of life that you've always dreamed of. But, how does one achieve a passive income? For many, it seems just a nice dream. But, this doesn't have to be the case. If you want to achieve a passive income and start living the life that you've only been able to imagine before now, you may be surprised to hear that it is closer to your reach than you think. With online shopping becoming more and more popular across the globe, affiliate marketing is becoming the pathway of choice for those looking to reach the goal of a passive income. With an increasing number of companies selling their goods and services online, affiliate marketing allows regular people to start home-based businesses and achieve a passive income by simply promoting and selling other people's things. In this series, you'll learn all about the basics of affiliate marketing. How to get started as an affiliate marketer. Why choosing the right niche is so important. How to start an affiliate website. How blogging can aid your success. How to promote other people's products successfully using different methods. How to build a strong brand and brand image. How to use social media and create a good online presence. How to eventually earn a passive income from affiliate marketing, and much more. It is important to understand that when starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should not expect a passive income immediately. Affiliate marketing can often start off slowly and take a while to become a huge success, and it will take patience, knowledge and understanding for you to make it to where you want to be. In order to make money selling other people's products or services, it's essential that you are willing to put in all the time and effort required. With affiliate marketing becoming more and more popular as a method of making an income, new affiliate marketers need to up their game in order to ensure that they have an edge over the competition. In this series, you will learn exactly what you need to do to ensure that your new business venture in affiliate marketing has the right foundations and framework to become a success and be the ticket to the lifestyle that you have always dreamed of. Let's get into the basics and everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has become one of the most popular ways to make money online, but what is it exactly? Simply put, affiliate marketing is a method of making an income by which you advertise other people's products and services. As an affiliate marketer, you will set up a blog or website which you will use to display advertisements provided to you by the companies which you represent. Each time a sale is made through your affiliate site or blog, you are paid a commission. Depending on the popularity and success of both your website, the products and services that you promote and the company or companies which you promote for, there is a lot of money to be made from affiliate marketing, which is why it's important to get it right. Getting started with affiliate marketing. Most affiliate marketers start off by using an affiliate program, for example Amazon Associates, which is highly recommended to both first-time and experienced affiliate marketers. Choosing a reputable company such as Amazon is very important, as the visitors to your site are much more likely to make a purchase from an organization which is a household name and is well known for being trustworthy, professional and good value. The second reason why programs such as Amazon Associates are so popular is that they offer a diverse range of products to promote and advertise. Before you dive straight into being an affiliate marketer, there are a lot of things which should be taken into consideration. In order to be successful at affiliate marketing, it's important to have a good idea of how to create and maintain a website, understand how search engine optimization works, and have a good working knowledge of social media and social media marketing. Staying up to date on all of these topics is absolute key to ensuring that your new affiliate marketing business venture doesn't end up going nowhere. Does affiliate marketing work? If you've been trawling the web for methods of making money online, you have probably come across more than just a few which appear to be quite dubious. When it comes to making money from the internet, there are many methods advertised as being surefire, quick ways to make money when in reality, they are nothing but a scam. So, if you're wondering whether or not affiliate marketing actually works, we don't blame you. The good news is affiliate marketing absolutely works as a genuine way to make your income online. There are usually no fees to set up as an affiliate marketer, with a number of different programs available which allow you to get started making money for free. Who benefits from affiliate marketing? You may be wondering who else affiliate marketing is beneficial to. Other than yourself, of course, affiliate marketing has some great advantages for a number of other people. This includes both businesses who are looking to sell their products and services online, and the customers who are looking for the items that you promote. Affiliate marketing is a popular choice amongst business owners who are looking to advertise their products, as it is hugely cost-effective since they do not need to pay to display the advertisement on your page, but rather only pay when a sale is made. When it comes to customers, affiliate marketers can make it easier for them to find the products and services that they need. That is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you are notified when I drop the next video in this series. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.